Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to delete system storage on an iPhone. It's basically the same thing on newer versions, like the iPhone 12 and older versions, and on iOS 14 and 13. So if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is actually go over to your settings. You want to go down until you find the general section. You click on general and there's a lot of options here, so don't get distracted. Click on iPhone storage. Here's your storage. I'll show you where system storage is, but iPhone storage, here it says how much space you have. I have 50 gigabytes used of 64, which means I have around 14 left. And when it loads up, it says how much different apps have on your device. So what you want to do is actually go down, and below you have your system settings right here, system files. There's 8 gigabytes. Other files are might be more or less. So what you want to do is either click on each of these apps, for example TikTok, and click offload app to clear it, or yeah, and go directly after each one. This is pretty much all you can do currently. So if this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you next one. Bye.